going to show you how to use the cutout tool. The cutout tool is used for situations like this where you have an area, like this gravel area, and I have a stepping stone where I wouldn't need any of the decorative gravel. So if I want to remove this area of the stepping stone from my gravel area, I'll use the cutout tool. Up in the top toolbar, the scissors are our cutout tool. Click once to activate it. Now that it's active, you can click at each vertex, dropping a point to outline that stepping stone, and then double click to end it to remove it from your area total. So you can see this has been cut out and it's removed from this total. Again, click dropping points around the outside and then double click or press enter to remove it from my total area measurement.